Hi everyone, here's a quick video to walk you through my first attempt at home brewing some beer. Today I'm using Mangrove Jack's recipe number 15, which should return around 23 litres of American IPA. So let's get started. Prior to the actual brewing steps, I had thoroughly cleaned and sterilised all the equipment.
So now, got the 3 litres of boiling water. It's a little bit tight here, but and it goes into the fermenter. Pure liquid extract, and that goes. And if you look, it's actually almost like a runny caramel consistency. Now we're going to add the 1 kilo of dextrose, which is effectively the sugar. So let's just pull that in. We'll just give it a good stir until it's fully dissolved. Okay, so I've been stirring this now for a few minutes. You can see it's gone this really beautiful golden colour. So you can see here I've got my list of instructions printed out, and quite simply as I'm going along I'm ticking each of them off. Next step is going to be about adding the cold water up to the right volume, which for this recipe is 23 litres. So I've now added in the cold water. I've taken it up to 23 litres and the fermenter. What I've done now though is stick it into this cold bath of water. Reason being is that the temperature should be below 25 degrees before you add in the yeast. So it was stuck on about 25 degrees. It's starting to come down now, just hitting the 24. I've elevated it up at the front end here, just to ensure that the tap doesn't hit off the bottom and cause any damage to that seal. Cold water bath is finished and the temperature's 24, so it's safe to put in our yeast. This is what I'm using, it's what came with the pouch, and in it goes. Nice stir, make sure it's all mixed in. So I've now added the lid onto the fermenter. I've added in the airlock and puts a little bit of boiling water into there. You'll also notice that I've now moved it to a different room. I've done that so that I can better regulate the temperature and maintain it between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. So thanks for watching. I've made this video just a little bit of fun. This is my first time ever brewing any sort of beer, hopefully the first of many. And I intend the next update with a little bit of care and maintenance along the way to be showing you some of my first bottles of American IPA. So thanks for watching and all the best.